Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping.
So yes, peeps, it's a man over the fire, back at it again. But tonight I do a little cooking. Yes, the rain fall and I was sleeping, so I'm cooking late. Yes, so tonight I have some ackee. As you can see in a previous video, I get some ackee from a gentleman that I meet at the supermarket. Yeah, and then I have some banana here, so it's a Jamaican yellow yam, some local season, and I have some caramel and some flour here, so over here, so my saltfish in a pot. Yeah, and this is what my backyard look like night. Yeah, run it off, you can't see nothing now. Yes, peeps, so just stick and stay, not going away. I can do that cook up here. So, just want to say thanks for all the subscribers. Them. Keep coming back and watching the channel. Pick up on yourself, enough love and respect. So stay tuned, not going away. So yes, peeps, so go on. Clean it down here. Clean it down here, eh? Which one?
The black one.
Black one?
Yeah.
It's a light. So you get good lighting. When you're doing video, you need good lighting. Yeah. Yeah, you definitely need good lighting. Yes, peeps. So my neighbor asked me what the lighting, peeps. So I tell him, you know. I tell him, see my neighbor ask me about the lighting. So I tell you. Yeah, man. I talk to you world, you know. But they know, so I know me alone live here, you know. Yeah, them understand that. Yes, peeps. So not far away look at the apartment. I'm mainly Jamaicans. Only one Cayman and as you don't know. You know, get one man. I'm supposed to spray man. I'm run up and down, so. Mm-hmm. So yes, peeps, pick out the ackee here. Picking out this ackee. Yeah, and the rain won't stop as yet. As I can see in the previous video them, the rain is falling in Grand Cayman. See, start outside again. Start outside again, peeps. So, pick out the ackee here. Because I just took it out the shell and put it in the fridge. And just feel like cooking now. So I slept all day today. Yeah, I slept all day today. Karina fall asleep. I can't do nothing besides sleep. It's the weekend, you know. Yeah, it's the weekend. So stick and stay and cook up the pot in at night, yeah. Even by weekend I cook at night. Can you believe that? It has become such a habit that even on the weekend I be cooking in the night. Yeah, so now stick and stay, peeps. As we get up this ready. Don't need the fire, you know. So, I'm gonna do. You have to see the yam and the island. Yeah. Some people know how to peel banana. And some people don't like to peel banana, but it's very easy to peel it, you know. Like that. And that's a bit like that. Simple as that. Like that. That's it. Like that. Look how easy. Okay. And this is St. Mary banana. North of Jamaica. Right. Quick and easy. Easy peeps. The rain will fall on the back hard. Come on, I'm peeps. I've been getting rain and more rain from the 1st of June. Yeah. So, what I do, I peel banana, peel the yam, wait for the pot to boil up and put in here. Yes, peeps. Because I'm here alone, until I cook the whole of the yam. So I cook a piece of the yam, peeps, and I cook a piece of the yam. When I peel the yam, I have to make sure I wash it on its soap, and I catch your skin. So get ear crunching. That is it. Wash my hand. Yeah, wash it on top of some soap. If I am skin, I can just give me a hand back. Stop here. Yeah. So I'm going to put the boil up now. Put in coffee. So put it in. Okay. Since you have to cook by itself, so I'll just cook with it. Oh. And then I put here start boiling now. The saltfish, so I'm going to put in dumplings. I'm sure I see the dumpling pack good. Yeah, I'm zoom in some more. Yeah. Make sure I like bread enough for it. Right bread. You can see we're in the backyard. Yeah. The back door open because the kitchen has a hot. And the wind now blows so hard. Just them dumpling in place. Yeah. Quick and fast. So this pot now take no time to cook. As to the occupied marine to cover it. Even though we don't know about the ackee, so don't have to not very quick. I have some ackee then called butter ackee. As you cook them, you mash out like butter. Yes, some dumpling them real tight with some real calm in the night. I'm not a bit now. I'm gonna stay up and edit a video here and learn some more from YouTube. We've been getting rain and more rain takes. I don't know, everybody there over in the room. I'll give somebody in the locker room. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday, peeps. I'm actually cooking Sunday night. Wait. Didn't go on the road. Went on the road today one time. Peeps, that's the dumpling. So you want to know, I'm cooking out dumpling now. Cooking the yam. With the dumpling. Yeah, I'm going to do this. And put the yam with the dumpling. So you stir the pot after putting the dumpling. So none of them stick at the bottom. Then you can put in the yam. See the yam, so now I'm not sure. Leave the banana for last. I'm sure now I'm going to make pot. This is what I'm going now. See saltfish there? That means the saltfish will cook out. And now I put a salt in my pot with the ackee. Because already I put the saltfish in it. You know, saltfish have a whole heap of salt to it. Yes. So stick and stay. Not going away. Cut up a tomato and onion, sweet pepper. Stick and stay. So yes, babes, I cut up a tomato now and onion and sweet pepper. So make it everything ready. Everything ready. Okay, and saltfish. Everything ready. If some people don't put tomato in ackee and saltfish, but I put it in. Alright, like that. I said I like it like that. I like it like that, yes. I like my ackee and saltfish like that. This is local sweet pepper. Can use one eye. Onion. The onion I can just use half eye because it's big. Yeah, I'm going to put those pieces low. Yeah. I'm going to put it low. Yeah, onion big, so I'm going to use all of it. I'm not going to use all of it. Likewise with pepper, now I'll play with it neither. I feel like it's not happening. All of this. So that's good. It smells hot. Stick on stay. I'm gonna wait. Taste peeps. Everything almost ready now. Dumpling pot. Yes, yummy. Almost cooked. Just a few more minutes and done. So now it's done. Cook up the ackee. So I'm zooming up and see what I'm going over this now. Zoom and see what I'm going. Yeah. To go, some oil. Yeah, it's good at the back door open. Yeah. The paste one I say to be honest. Yeah, this is nice, I'm not a road dark, a door dark something. But you know here back door open. Nobody never tried to come in. Can't even see with the back door open. Nobody will try to come in, and this is not a gated community. This is an open yard with no gate or nothing like that. Let's show a little bit of fire on this one. Just a bit for every season. Too much oil. We don't want too much oil. Let's place the dumpling and put on the life jacket. Once the dumpling start to float, and then cook. So yeah, you know, normally when I get this food, just give it some time and say, alright, I must cook now. But it should cook now. So I'm going to add my season here. Some season here. I bring it a little nearer. You see how I go on my pot then. Yeah. So I go on with the pot. Yep. What I go on for what I go on inside here so. Good light. So lighting is good. Lighting is really good. Okay. And I use that spoon and stir the apple. So the spoon, you have to then pressure. When you're ready to pressure. You can see it and fry up a bit. Fish. Mix up. Okay, and the reason why some people don't put tomato in it because they say it's spoiled quick. But when I put salt in it spoil. Leave it out without putting it in the fridge because you know this after it's not going in the fridge tonight. And it's still not spoil. Because everybody different still. Everybody do them thing different. Everybody does their thing different. Cover it up and give it about 3 minutes. Turn on the pot. Turn on the fire, I should say. This now, as we say, give it 4 minutes. So yes, peeps, as we say, rain and fall out of the area. The rain is falling, peeps. All day, all night. Now fall all night, but I get in Jamaica still. But I'm not gonna get on food, good day, and rain in the evening. Yeah. So that early. And guess what? 2 more minutes and that early, so catch me back when I share. So yes, peeps, it's sharing time now. When's before I share? Growing up in the country, I see the elderly than this. Like my grandmother, and my grandfather, and my grandaunt, they move it up. And I drink the tea, and the morning your stomach get oily before you start the food. What you do, you throw some of the pot soup. Some people say pot water, some people say pot soup. So you throw some in the pot, in a cup, and put, use pepper and put it. A little pepper in it. Yeah. So I just did that, throw some in 1 cup. Put that on the pot. Ow. Yes, peeps. So you get some of the pot soup in a cup and drink it. I guess what now? All the nutrients in the food, the banana boil, and the yam boil and anything. Banana contain iron. And a lot of times when I boil food, and if you boil like that and you throw off the water, then the nutrients, you throw everything. Yeah. So you drink the pot soup, drink some of it before you start eating. It's a one tradition where it's not really a tradition, it's actually a reality you check out it because all the nutrients in the water. Because if you boil bush tea and a bush you eat after boiling the tea, you dash the bush and you drink the water, right? When you boil bush tea, it's the same thing for the food. Get yourself some dumpling, you know. And you know, so you kind of late, you know. So, I'm watching summer body. I'm watching summer body, please. So, you know, we eat too much. Eat for health, not belly full. And repeat, eat for health, not belly full. That is it. It's Aki and Saltfish, and I'm going right now. Some real St. Mary banana from St. Mary. And one thing, St. Mary banana yourself. Soft. When I say soft, I mean real soft. When I say God bless the Monday, I came in on Monday and see me in the supermarket. I buy the saltfish and the yam, and I say, the thing you need now, you need some ackee. So I hear him now, I answer him right, and I say, yo, so I say, have any ackee at home? He no answer. So I say, have any ackee at home, even if the tree wet, I would climb it right now. I say, okay, where you park? So I'm just wait for him until he finish. Buy him, I buy. And go outside and follow behind the vehicle. And trust me people, the man ackee tree full of ackee. But actually ackee tree share between 2 yards, the man some other in-laws. So I pick some I wanna over to him side. I have to climb it and just pick off it. Over to him side. And even after much more I think about it, I say, yo, because the rain falls so hard now, the whole of the ackee them about open up and them will spoil. So I pick them off because the whole of the ackee on the tree. And I just pick like about 2,000. But trust me, local ackee, nice. And normally, I have to buy the tin ackee. So peeps, I'm going to sit and have a good eat. So, thank you all for watching and thanks for supporting and keep supporting the channel and keep coming back to watch as we grow together. Yes, so as I said, we're going to soon some real good content because Jamaica come up good soon. Jamaica will be coming up. You know, go to Jamaica. I will be exploring. So, big up on yourself, one love, enough respect. And as I said, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. And remember, I'm going to try to do it every Thursday night. I would say 7 o'clock local time. Yeah, or Caribbean time, whichever you put in. 7 o'clock Caribbean time. I'll be going live. Yes. And just tell me topic that I want to talk about because let's just interact, get to know me get to know my audience and get to know what I want to see. Come here and say, because this channel is not about just me, but about what you guys want to see because I'm not the one who grew the channel actually. I'm the one who created the channel and you guys subscribe and like and watch the video. And I really support them. So, yeah, enough love and respect and thank you. Until next time.
my doom. Oh la na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do. Can't stand right when it's blowing, pushing me down. Feels like I'm falling apart, yet I hold on. Head held high, can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above it all, beat all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat a ball, I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again, again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go.